To be honest, it's pretty daunting because being on the other side of the world, not getting those calls anymore. Probably just recently with the passing of my old man, you know, I guess going through grieving process and stuff like that. I'm in that process where, because the past week I had family around, all my family, extended family, so it was a lot, so you're busy, so you haven't really processed it. It sort of came in waves, the grief, but I'm sort of at that stage where everything's quieting down now, and I'm sort of trying to get back into my routine, and which is important because I guess you can easily get sidetracked and kind of get lost, but I tend to, keep busy and keep my mind off things, but at the same time not forget him, but still remember him. And but yeah, I'm at that process where I'm just trying to carry on through life. As a professional rugby player, I could have, got easily been caught up in the lifestyle, the fame and everything, thinking, because I was young back then, was unstoppable sort of thing, but my old man always kept me grounded and humble. So I was named after my old man. I like to think he was proud, and I think he was happy hearing his name on television and stuff like that, so I'm pretty pleased with that.